is up, ladies and gents, boys and girls? This is Moto Noir. And today is a wonderfully beautiful, gorgeous day. I'm out here in Brooklyn, New York. Today we have something kind of fun going on. We have a little cookout over at Conselyea Moto, our sister garage. Right next door to Dirty Billy, there is Conselyea Street Moto. And they are having a little cookout for the block. And we're gonna go partake. Right. Oh man, today is gorgeous. It's about 65 degrees. Sun is out. Nary a cloud in the sky. My goodness. It doesn't get much better than this, ladies and gents. Yeah. So my girlfriend's gonna come, and I hope, it's a nice little turnout. I hope. A lot of people have been getting sick recently with the COVID. A new variant's going around, and it just seems like everyone is getting it. I don't know how I've managed to not catch it yet. Oh, and just so you know, like, all my friends are vaccinated too. Like, they have all the boosters and everything, and as do I. But it seems like everyone's still getting it. Because it really doesn't keep you from not contracting it. But it does help, I guess, keep symptoms more mild. I don't know. Seems when you're vaccinated, it should keep you from contracting it. But, I'm not a scientist, so don't take what I say with anything more than a grain of salt. Peoples. And blind corner, good. Awesome. What's going on, peeps? Come on. Oh, this is cute. Riding a little electric scooter, and they're riding two up. Very nice. Got some car wash action going on here. It's just a beautiful day in the freaking neighborhood. Beautiful day, beautiful day. Look at these guys. Okay. Jeez Louise. We got a motorcycle over here. Oh yeah, I think he's going to Dirty Billy. I know that sign anywhere. The guy's got his tire on the back of the bike. Yeah, he's definitely going to Dirty Billy to get that changed. He must. Okay, don't be friendly. Don't say hi. Whatevs. Whatevers.
Well.
Hi. How are you feeling? Good.
My top of the roof is a new light, man.
Hello, kind sir. How are you?
Like I rode my kid on Noir, it was great.
Yeah, you cut out the middleman of the road.
UFO spotting. You haven't flipped it yet, so this isn't.